Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in on Yubo. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open Yubo on your mobile device. Tap on Login at the bottom of your screen. Now you can either log in with your Google account or your username. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in with your username. Tap on Login with username. Now go ahead and enter your username. Once you're done, enter your password. Tap on Login. And that's it. This is how you log in on Yubo. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.